Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Peugeot 307 and 307cc with a 2 liters petrol engine. The procedure is similar for other Peugeot cars with the same engine. We can see the serpentine belt here is located on the side of the engine. I'm going to remove the front right wheel and also the mudguard so that I can get a better view for the camera. In your case, you don't need to remove the wheel or the mudguards to remove the serpentine belt. Although when they're removed, it's way easier. Now I have access and clear view of the serpentine belt. In order to remove the serpentine belt, I need to move the tensioner anti-clockwise so that it gets the belt loose, and then we can remove it. That's the tensioner right there. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. I'm using a wrench to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise so that the belt gets loose, and then I can remove it. Next, I'm going to show you a diagram of the routing of the serpentine belt so that you know where the belt goes around all the pulleys. And next, I'm going to put the new serpentine belt on. You can either leave for last the tensioner pulley or the AC compressor pulley to put the belt on last. In my case, I'm going to put last on the tensioner pulley. Now I'm going to turn the tensioner clockwise so that I can get a bit more space to put on the belt. And that's the serpentine belt installed. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.